Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I got a hadiah from the family, from the side of Madam Nor. Okay, so we got this one. Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you to the aunt of Madam Nor, the sister of the mother of Madam Nor. Thank you very much, Madam, with your family. Si Madam Rosie yata yun. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Madam, with your whole family. And she is the aunt of Madam Nor and the sister of the mother of Madam. I forgot the Lucy. I'm always familiar kasi of his name in English of Madam Lucy. And Sir Jojo. So, Dudi, and the first son is Anas, and the second daughter is Dudi, and the younger one is Gino. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, it's for the winter. Gonna wear this one with my jeans. Okay, and for Madam Sams with his family, I finished already. I used already that one in the Christmas. The shoes, the top, what do you call that one? This one. And this one. Okay, with the family of Madam Sams, the only sister of Madam Nor. Okay, this one. I use this one when I go church on the 25 with one terno from the white one for the family also of Madam Nor. It's Rosama and Sisi. Okay. With the children of Madam Sams also. And this one is Tita Nada, the grandmother of Madam Nor, the mother of she is the mother of Madam Nor and the aunt of Madam Nor. The grandmother of Madam Nor and Madam Sams. She is the apo sa tuhod o grandma apo sa tuhod na si Sisi. Okay, this one terno for the pajama. Okay, so I have another pajama. Last time Madam Nor also she giving me gift pajama. Okay, I wear already that one, the pajama, and just now only I just mix it. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Every holidays, like Ramadan, Ramadan and Christmas and birthday. It depends on whether they are giving me clothes or they are giving me cash. That's why, I don't know, but just minimum, not just normal. It's not, what's that? At least that I have, at least that I have. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Always that one I get received from them. Okay. And I'm only, I think I have only one shoes, the caterpillar. That is the first time that I come here in Baghdad. Almost, when I come, and then August and then December is Christmas, so I buy caterpillar shoes by myself only. That's all. That is the first one that I buy for myself. Until now, no, mostly they are from the family of Madam Noor. Okay. And the family also observe. They are giving also to me. But I'm not making only a video. And just now, because I already updated of my video, of my YouTube channel. Sorry that I cannot pronounce well because talaga my teeth is not good already. Soon I can fix that one. Everything will be okay. Yeah. Yeah. Both of them I got receipt. Both of them. Okay. Yeah. I put that one outside. Now no, because it's little bit windy, too much dust outside to remove the the smell. Yeah. Okay. It's good. It's clean naman. It's clean because the department store is one of the famous also department store here in Baghdad. Okay. They have their own. Department store. It's a building. I think third floor, first, second, third floor, one building. Okay. And they have a branches, of course. And the mall, some is in the mall. Okay. Thank you. Almost every videos lock the hair. Now it's look like the hair because I'm not what's that now that I wash already yesterday, just the Christmas no, because it's from the salon, so now look it's like this one. Because I'm not doing dryer ba yun? Yeah, dryer to make my hair like this one. I'm just look my hair very good if I'm from the from the salon, but by myself sometimes if I have time, but sometimes talaga normal only church finish like this one. Okay, so nationwide, worldwide, buong mundo, different countries, any countries, any person. Thank you very much that you are watching my short videos. Please don't forget to subscribe me, to share, likes, and comments. That is the big all naman, any naman. It's not only this one. At least that is one part of my gift for myself, for my journey. Okay. Thank you very much, and I wish talaga that you subscribe me while you are watching to my short videos. I wish that you subscribe me, you likes, you comments, and you share. Okay, thank you very much. And to those also from the beginning, my channel is I make already my channel. It's long time years, but just now that I updated, maybe almost how many I'm already for 5 years more, almost 6 years na here. But when I first hear her 1 year, it's not too much pa updated my this channel. Okay, just I think last year, yeah, I'm just starting na. Last year or another last year pa. I'm starting already to make updated of my channel, and now that is the this year that I'm very updated na of my YouTube channel. So I wish that you will be continue to support of me in my Simply YouTube, of my Simply channel, and you subscribe me, share, likes, and comments. And to all already that you subscribe already to me, thank you very much. Thank you that you are giving me chance, that you spend your effort and time, patience, and to watch in my videos and to subscribe me. Okay, thank you very much. All of us, okay, thank you to all nationwide, worldwide pagkatod. Sa buong mundo pagkatod. Thank you very much. And coming soon, Happy New Year 2025. Bye! Take care. God bless us all. Wala na naglubat ng battery. Naglubat ng battery. Wherever you are, whatever you do, especially in driving your car or whatever you are doing, okay, in every day, in every routine of our life, keep safe, take care of your health, and God bless us all. And bye! TikTok. After that one, lubat na yung battery. Aray ko, kabayo. Nahulog na yung horse ko. Ayun na, nahulog na yung horse. Yun na si horse, nahulog. Okay?